Hello, today I'm going to introduce you an add-on that helps us navigate menus between scenes and workspace in Blender VSE. Originally, this add-on was created and tested for the video editor, but it also was considered for use for other tools as well. So, let's start today's topic. As you know, primarily Blender is an animation tool, so the video editing function is a bit inconvenient. For example, it's really hard to draw something on a video. There are many ways to draw something on a video in Blender, but my favorite is to use the grease pencil. The grease pencil is really powerful, but the video editor can't deal with the grease pencil directly. We have to draw in 2D or 3D editor and then import it into a video editor. In this process, we have to go back and forth between the video editor and the 2D editor. For example, when we have to scene a project, and if the main story is scene main and the drawing scene is scene draw, we have to select the video sequencer for scene main and have to select the 2D animation for scene draw. However, if we change the scene, an appropriate workspace is not automatically selected. After changing the scene, we must change the workspace also. If there are a lot of scenes that we need to switch, this can be very annoying. Today's add-on can help us in this case. Download a file from the link in the description section down below. Then install this add-on in the Preferences window and activate it. Now we are ready. In this example, there are two scenes. One is the scene main that has the main video storyline, and another is the scene draw that has something to show. Let's switch the scene to scene draw to draw something. The current workspace is still the video sequencer. We cannot be able to draw something in this workspace. To draw something, we need to change the workspace to the 2D animation. Okay, let's draw something here. And now, back to the scene main. When we back to the scene main, the workspace is also changed into the video editor. Let's go back again to the scene draw. The workspace is also switching to the 2D animation as light shadow. Let's try changing again to the scene main. What's happening? Do you know what's good about this? This add-on memorizes the last used workspace for each scene. And when we switch the scene, it recalls the memorized workspace before. That's why I call it workspace glue. Without this add-on, in order to edit the drawing scene, we have to switch the workspace manually as well. It needs a large amount of mouse movement. It's very annoying. Okay, anyway, let's make it done this editing. Insert the drawing scene into our main storyline and change the blend option for the drawn scene to alpha over. Well, it's good working, isn't it? In fact, today's add-on is the second version, and it uses a timer to detect the changes in the scene and workspace. The first version of this add-on used the message bus. In the next video, I will show you that version using message bus. What do you think about today's add-on? In my personal opinion, I wish the drawing function in the video editor could be improved as soon as possible. Until the time, why don't you reduce fatigue a little bit with this? And lastly, I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. If you have some things about my English speaking, please let me know. Then see you next time. Bye.